Hi guys, my name is Josiah Danilanti, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an underwater breathing device. This won't take too long to build though. For this type of underwater breathing device, you're going to need some colorful duct tape, a Sharpie, a pocket knife, a water bottle that only you drank from, and some really long straws, or like a little long tube. Okay, so guys, for the next step is to go get your bottle, your Sharpie, and knife. So for this next step, you're gonna want to go take off the cap and put a little hole in it. The Sharpie right here is for marking where the hole is gonna be, and the knife is gonna be for cutting it out, obviously. And then you're gonna want that hole so the tube piece can fit inside it, like that. Now if I zoom in the camera a bit, the cap should be tight enough around the straw or tube so water or air doesn't escape from it while you're swimming. So later on, your thing is gonna look like this, where all the air is stored in. Now, if you're building this tank, then this tank will help you to go breathe twice as much as you can hold your breath. The bigger the bottle, the better. So, if you need more time to go make that hole, I'll give you more time. Here. So for your next step, you're gonna want to go get a piece of duct tape about as long as your wrist. Well, not really, but it has to be enough to go wrap around it like this. Sorry, I blocked a little bit. Maybe not. Okay, so how I did this, I got a long piece of strip this way, and I flipped it over. And I got a shorter strip this way. And then I just put them on top of each other, like burger patties. Well, not really. Don't know why I said that, but never mind. So you'll end up with a piece like this. Should feel good around your wrist this way. Okay, this is gonna, okay. We're on to the last step. Okay, so for the last step, you get everything that you had. Let's take them out this way. And we're gonna get your let's get your bottle. Put this end right here. Tape it on there. And then you take your wrist right here. Overlap the tape around it that way. And put that end tape right there. If your tape just comes off, you can just put some tape right here and right here. Then you'll end up with this. Then you put this tube piece or straw in the hole from the cap that you screwed on. Doesn't have to be all the way in, just good enough. Then you have your breathing tank. So that's the end of the video, guys. Please subscribe for more since I am a new YouTuber. If there's any mistakes in this video, sorry about that. But I'll see you in the other videos if you do see it. So bye.